In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear WhatsApp web cache. If WhatsApp web is loading slowly, showing outdated information, or not working quite the way it should, clearing the site's cached data can often help. This process removes stored website data from your browser for WhatsApp web, which can fix common issues like pages not refreshing properly or login sessions acting strangely. The good news is that it only takes a moment, and I'll walk you through it clearly. To begin, open WhatsApp web in your browser. Make sure the page is fully loaded so you can access the browser controls without any confusion. Once you're on the site, look at the address bar at the top of the browser window. On the left side of the website address, you'll see the site information icon. Depending on your browser, this may look like a padlock, a tune icon, or another small symbol that represents website settings and permissions. Go ahead and click that site information icon. This opens a small menu with options related to the current website. From there, select Site Settings. This will take you to a page where your browser stores permissions and data options specifically for WhatsApp web. This area is useful because it lets you manage how the site behaves without changing your settings for every website you visit. Once you're in Site Settings, look for the option labeled Delete Data. Click it to remove the stored cache and site data for WhatsApp web. This helps clear out temporary files that may be causing problems. In some cases, the browser may ask you to confirm the action, so if a prompt appears, simply approve it. After the data is deleted, you may notice that WhatsApp web refreshes, signs you out, or asks you to log in again. That's normal, because clearing site data removes saved session information along with cached files. If that happens, just sign back in and continue as usual. This is a simple but effective troubleshooting step whenever WhatsApp web seems buggy or unresponsive. If you still have issues after clearing the cache, try refreshing the page once more or reopening the browser. That's it, you've successfully cleared the WhatsApp web cache, and your browser now has a clean start for the site.